I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by building the lookup table. Create 2 columns, the numeric lower bound and the corresponding label or output. Once done, sort the lower bound column in ascending order so Vlookup can find the closest match. Make sure to convert the range to a table or assign a named range. This prevents broken references when you add rows. Next, decide whether you want exact or approximate matches. For ranges, you will use approximate match mode. Now insert the Vlookup formula. You enter Vlookup with the lookup value, the table, the column index 2, and true for approximate match. For example, Vlookup, A2 my table 2 true. Then ensure the lookup value is numeric. If it is stored as text, use value A2 or multiply by 1 to coerce it. Also, anchor the table reference with absolute references or use the table name so copying the formula down keeps the correct range. Once entered, copy or fill down to apply to all rows. You finish by validating results, test values at the lower boundary, exact boundaries, and above the highest bound to confirm expected labels. If you see #n/a, first verify the lookup table is sorted ascending and that both lookup value and table bounds are numeric. If approximate matching still misbehaves, switch to match plus index for clearer control. Match returns the row, index returns the label. Finally, freeze panes and document the table so others understand the range logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.